friends, I'm starting a new series on showing how we can integrate Corgi Engine into a general 2D game, and I'll be building from scratch, and we'll be completing a complete and simple 2D game, which covers all of the advanced concepts that Corgi Engine covers. So let's get started. This is the Corgi Engine website. I'll be providing you in the link in the description. So here you can find the documentation to know more about it. Also you can see like all the features listed here. You can go through all the features. It's a very good engine, and it has been under development from 2015 itself, and a lot of elements are there, and also this is it got so much famous that it is recommended by Unity as part of its 2D Essential Pack. So to actually use the engine, you have to buy it. Unfortunately, there is no trial version of it, but it is for $75, and you can find like on the asset store itself. And from the support is good. You can also go through the comments and see how it is and all. I have purchased my version, and I'll be telling you like how to set up. So first basic, this today's video will be discussing on how to generally set up a Corgi engine within. I'll be continuing working using Unity 6 itself, and let's click on new project. Here basically we'll be going with 2D core with built-in render pipeline, but Corgi actually doesn't suggest any specific rendering pipeline to go with. I prefer using with the universal render pipeline itself. So let's use this one only. So I'll be naming my project as Corgi Engine Tutorial 01. I don't want my cloud to be connected, and let's create the project. There we are. So our project is now open. Because it's a basic URP template project with the scene folder, which I'll be deleting off because it doesn't have anything of our concern. Settings, tutorial info, and all. We'll let them be for now. So first of all, we need to use Corgi Engine. We need to take a fresh setup of Unity and go to our asset store. So ours will be like this, Corgi Engine. This is the Corgi Engine. So I'll be importing the latest 9.3 version into my Unity project. That's an import. So these are some of the project dependencies which needed to be installed for running the Corgi Engine smoothly. So let's install them. I would not suggest you skip that part. You have to install them. So you can see we have a common folder, the demos folder, and the third party. I'm not omitting anything. I'm importing everything of this. I suggest you do the same. And also for the project settings, these all are project settings which needs to be there, because Corgi has its own different kind of settings which makes it functional. So I suggest not to uncheck anything and import as is. Okay, that's done. Once the Corgi Engine is installed, can close the package manager. So here you can see we have a Corgi Engine folder installed. We have common, where all of your files reside, like everything resides here. Demos is like a basic demos. You can go through each file and like check it out, like what all Corgi Engine offers, and you can enjoy the gameplay and all. Next is third-party tools. We'll talk about them once we get to this topic. So yeah, that's there, and so the license and reviews are already there. So coming to the Corgi Engine folder, don't try to edit anything in this folder, nothing at all, even the demos part, don't try to edit them. Even if you open the same, use something, don't save it ever. That would be better, because if any update comes for Corgi Engine, it will get updated, and you will not have whatever file updates you have made. So make sure that it is always not edited. Okay, so let's start with our first thing. So generally, whenever you install Corgi Engine, you'll search for this Corgi Engine demos and minimal scene. Minimal is like most minimum needed for the Corgi Engine to run properly. So here you can see in the scene. Level 2D. So here you can see there is a level start patch. So when I run this, you can see a character appears. That's a rectangle character that will be automatically animated. So this is the base template, where there will be a simple plain character with some boundary walls. So this is the basic bare minimum you can use, like, and I'd suggest getting started from this section itself. So whenever I start a new Corgi project, I take up minimum level, and then I go to file, save as, and here I'll be creating a game project, a game folder, so capital game, J capital letters. In game, I'll be adding scenes. In scene, I'll call this test 1. So now you can see I have bought this file from demo section to my own folder. Now there is no issues even if I make changes to it. So what's there in minimum, most minimum level? So first of all, you can see here is the game manager. Game manager consists of basic level settings, which we'll be going through in my other videos. So currently, just remember that it has a game manager, which has achievement rules. Achievement is like if you, while playing the game, if you achieve anything, that can be tracked here. And this is the time manager, like how to manage the game time, the pause and all. We'll go in detail for that also. So also we can slow down time, so I'll show you that part also. Next is the sound manager. Sound manager is to manage the basic in-game sounds. So based on levels also, you can place them at some points so that that sound only visible at certain, when you reach certain stage or something, or you can create a music track and add it to your sound manager. So this sound manager controls everything there. Next is the UI camera. So UI camera, it controls your UI. So you can see here there are two parts. The main thing is the level that runs, and here you can see life and some points. So this UI is part of this UI camera. So whenever I run, You can see the UI, and this code system has come up, and the general level is running in parallel to this UI or HUD. HUD is what you can call. UI camera can be completely taken off from screen, like I can get deleted. But before deleting, make sure that your input manager is present. So let's give it a try. So I'll copy the input manager from here. I'll delete this UI camera. So I'll create an empty object. I'll call input manager, and here so I pasted the input manager. Now if I check, you will see that UI is now not there. You can see here also, from here also it is been deleted, and here also you can't see the UI. You can build the UI from scratch, and but I suggest using the existing one and modifying as we go. I'll be teaching you the same method, like we'll be using a method to keep the existing one and make changes as we go. So you can see like how important it is. So I'll just bring back my UI camera, and next is the minimal camera rig. Camera rig is it consists of a general regular camera and CD machine. Next comes the level manager. Before level manager, we'll talk about level. So level is nothing but the whole setup, like the boundaries, the platforms and all. The whole interactable things, whatever you see, is in the level folder. So here you can see it has option like platforms which you can delete, and then we have a level start where the character starts. So you can see like if I start the game, wherever I press the level start, exactly there only the character spawns. The character spawned exactly under this level start. It will be spawning here and it will just fall down, which we are missing. But yeah, that the level start part is like where everything comes. So where this level start must be and all, is configured under this level manager. So level start is the checkpoint. You have to where it has to spawn is where you'll be mentioning it here, and here player prefab. So here the rectangle character which you are seeing is here. We'll change it to something else. So playable character. We'll go back to our demos. We'll see Corgi 2D. Here we'll see some prefabs, playable characters. So here we have some. So I'll change it to this space Corgi. So when I run it, you can see now it's changed to space Corgi, and also it fires. So sorry about that. So that's how the game is. That's how you change the character. So our aim would be to change this, to create this actual character prefab where we can place our own character. So just that's the general setup of Corgi Engine into Unity. So next we'll be seeing about the character. I'll be using this character. Axel character. So basically it has some idle, walk, run, jump, and some fight mechanics, fight animations which we'll be integrating through. So in my next lesson I'll be integrating this 4 animations. Then we'll be dealing with adding these also. And remember that this character is a sprite character. So we will be currently dealing with how to add an a sprite character. Maybe in future we can discuss more about how to add a spine character or a general mechanic. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that's it for this today's video. Thank you for watching.